Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's look at these two important things from Chelsea camp. The first one, FIFA confirmed the amount of money Chelsea will receive if we win the club trophy. The FIFA club tournament Chelsea is going to play at the end of this season. FIFA revealed the amount of money Chelsea will receive or Chelsea will earn from group stages, from round of 16, quarter-final, semi-final to final. Yes, we'll come and look at the breakdowns. Yes. And also, guys, one of Chelsea owners, Todd Boehly, is in big trouble. Todd Boehly is in big trouble. We'll come and look at that. So please watch this video till the end. Let's do the discussion together. Let's do the analysis together. And before we move on, go and do the breakdown. Please don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So let's move on. As you are watching on the screen now, guys, the winner from Ben Jacobs, the winner will receive $125 million. So all the prizes will be in dollar currency. Yes. So the winner will receive $125 million if a team win the FIFA Club Trophy. That team will receive $125 million. And let's come to the breakdowns. We have UEFA teams in the tournament, the likes of Chelsea, Man City, Real Madrid, and Bayern Munich. They are the UEFA teams. For them, they will receive amount in between 12.81 million to 38.9 million for entrance or for participating. This amount for only participating, Chelsea, Man City, Bayern Munich, and Real Madrid. Arsenal is not there. Manchester United is not there. No. They are not winners, so they can't be here. Yes. It is only winners who are here. Yes. So, guys, for participating, Chelsea will take in between 12.81 million to 38.9 million dollars. That is UEFA teams. And the next teams or the next clubs are CONMEBOL clubs. That are South American clubs, Brazil clubs, Argentina and co. South America. Yes. For them participating, they will receive $15.21 million for participating. Yes. The likes of Palmeiras and co. Estavio team and co. For them participating in the FIFA Club tournament, they will receive $15.21 million. Yes. And CONCACAF, these are African teams. Yes. African teams from Morocco, Algeria. Yes. For them, and Asian teams. For them, they will receive $9.5 million. $9.5 million for participating. And the next clubs are OFC clubs or teams. Ocean teams, New Zealand and co. For participating, they will also receive $3.8 million for participating. And the sporting performances. Round of 16, winning bonuses. When you draw the bonuses, if Chelsea win a single game in this competition or any of the team participating now, not exclusive to UEFA teams or CONCACAF or CONMEBOL, any team, be it from Africa, Asia, South America, any team winning a game in this competition will receive $2 million. What a wow. $2 million, guys. If Chelsea win a single game in this competition, Chelsea will receive $2 million. And if Chelsea draw, Chelsea will receive $1 million. Yes. And when Chelsea qualify to round of 16 in this tournament, Chelsea will then receive $7.5 million. Guys, listen. If Chelsea qualify to the round of 16, Chelsea will receive $7.5 million. And if Chelsea then progress to the quarterfinal, Chelsea will receive $13.125 million for qualifying or progressing to the quarterfinal stage. $13.125 million. What a wow. What a competition of money. Competition of revenue. And then, guys, if Chelsea qualify to semi-final, Chelsea will then receive $21 million. $21 million. And after the semi-final, if Chelsea reach final in this competition, Chelsea will receive $30 million. $30 million in your accounts. Imagine this. Imagine this. Life-changing money. This is simple life-changing money. $30 million. Chelsea reaching a final in this competition. And then if Chelsea win this competition, Chelsea will receive $40 million. $40 million for winning this trophy. FIFA Club Trophy. Guys, can you believe this? So it means even if your team reach the final and still your team don't win this competition, your team will still receive $30 million. But the winner will receive $40 million. And this is bonuses. Sporting bonuses. Different from the actual amount of money a team will receive when winning this competition. And the actual amount of money a team will receive is $125 million. $125 million. So that means when you win this competition, you are receiving the actual prize as $125 million and sporting performances as $40 million. What a wow. This tournament, Charlie, Chelsea must do everything they can do to compete well in this competition. I'm telling you. Because I can see that FIFA wants these clubs to take it serious. Because, to be honest, it looks like even we, the fans, we are not taking this tournament serious. We are just looking at it to be another competition like Conference League and co. Yes, we are not taking it seriously. So I think FIFA wants clubs, the players, the owners, the managers to take this competition serious. And also, if any team participates in this competition, it will help in financial fair play. Yes, once someone plays, imagine your team go to this tournament and win it, or even receive these sporting performances. At the end, it will help Chelsea to sign more players. It will help us in the financial fair play. Yes, the profitability rules. That is good. That is good. So, guys, these are the amount or the money Chelsea will receive when win this competition, FIFA Club Trophy, or when Chelsea participate. Even if Chelsea participate and at the end we don't win it, still we'll get something. But you will get more when you win. You will get more when you progress. Yes, someone who reached the semi-final will receive more than someone who reached the quarter-final. Someone who reached the final will receive more than someone who reached the semi-final. And someone who win it, the winner will receive more than someone who played the final. Group stage is the same thing. When you win, you are receiving $2 million, guys. And when Chelsea draw $1 million. And this is the first tournament ever in the history of FIFA. FIFA will not receive anything in return from FIFA. That in this tournament, they are not receiving anything in return. And even they will still distribute some of this competition money to non-participating clubs. The likes of Arsenal and co, Manchester United and co, Spurs and co. But for them, they will not take more than participating teams like Barcelona and co. Yes, but they will not take more than Chelsea, Real Madrid, Bayern Munich who are participating. So this means that FIFA regards this tournament. Yes, this means that FIFA is promoting this tournament. This means that FIFA wants clubs, players, managers, owners to take this competition serious, and even we the fans to give it attention. So I would like my Chelsea to do well in this competition. Yes, this competition, Chelsea winning it, it is possible. Yes, because when you look at the European giants, Real Madrid, they are not that Real Madrid. Yes, they have defensive problem this season. Barcelona just give it to them this season. So if not because we have a clueless manager who think that Chelsea we have to wait for 5 years to come. This competition, when you even Bayern Munich this season, they are not that the Bayern Munich we used to know. Man City, I will not even talk. Yes, a lot of things are going. So it is possible, but we know our Chelsea. Yes, so it is possible for Chelsea to win this trophy, but Charlie, Maresca and some of our players, they are not serious. But let's hope. At the end of the day or at the end of the tournament, Chelsea win it and yes, receive our 40 million plus our 125 million. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this price, about this tournament prize. What is your opinion, your thought about that? And let's come to Todd Boehly. In fact, guys, information from CST, Chelsea Supporters Trust. Chelsea Supporters Trust is a union for Chelsea supporters. I think around the world, yes, around the globe, Chelsea supporters. They send a letter to Premier League to investigate Todd Boehly, that Todd Boehly is selling Chelsea ticket, mass ticket, in his official website called Vivid Seat or Vivid Seat. His official website called Vivid Seat. And any ticket or any Chelsea ticket that is selling outside Chelsea official mega store is illegal. So for them, based on their research, Todd Boehly is selling Chelsea tickets, match day ticket, and even season ticket on his official website, which is illegal. So information said that they even contacted him directly, but Todd Boehly up to now, he didn't respond. So now they send a message. They write a letter to Premier League to investigate Todd Boehly. And this information, I heard it for some time now. I heard it. But now that the fans are now putting it on the media, yes, on public, yes, now it is official. And it is allegedly, I won't lie, yes, allegedly. But if it is true, and I know it will be true, but allegedly, but this our owners, I don't trust them. For me, when it come to money, monetary terms, for this our owners, forget. They don't even care about Chelsea competing or what. What they care is about making money, making money. One of Todd Boehly interview recently, he said it is frustrating that the Premier League is now getting more competitive because it will expose them. Imagine City is competing, Arsenal is competing, Liverpool is competing. They can have like the advantage again to sign young players because it will expose them. If City have experienced players competing and Chelsea we are signing 20 years, 19 years, we can't compete. At the end of the day, we'll come for them. So these owners, they care about making money more than competition. So guys, we are waiting to see if anything happen. Yes, I will give you the update. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this. Todd Boehly is now in big trouble. And these our owners, in fact, if they didn't bring a little bit of competition to this our Chelsea team, I don't see them lasting in Chelsea. Yes, I see them selling Chelsea in the future. Because see, no matter how the situation, they can't dodge competition. They can't do away with competition. They can do all their business. If they forgone competition, forget, they will be exposed. So if they don't bring their mind back to Chelsea competing, Chelsea may be getting tougher every season, competing in the Premier League, competing in Champions League football, forget, they will be exposed. Their project will not work. So they better realize it. Earlier is the better. Yes. Because Chelsea was a winning team when they bought Chelsea. The fans are winning fans. Everybody, former players, everybody around Chelsea premises was a winner before they bought the club. So you can't just buy a winning team and decided one day you are changing it to be like a small team, to be like Brighton. It can't work. It can't work. All the players they are signing, they are good, but they are not Chelsea standard. Yes. For the players they are signing, the olden Chelsea, the previous Chelsea, if Chelsea sign those kind of players, we'll loan them. We'll loan them to develop, get the experience. Then they come back to Chelsea and play. But Chelsea will just sign 20 years, boy, as if he's coming to be our savior, 18 years. Yes, they will put his name on the media, praising him, showing all his potentials, what, as if we never signed a player before in the history of Chelsea. So guys, that is the information. Let me hear from you under the comment section on all what we discussed in this video, the price, the breakdown, to Todd Boehly selling Chelsea ticket. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And another video is coming about Enzo Fernandez. So please turn on the notification bell and hit the subscription button. When a new video comes, you will be the first person to see it. And like this video. Take care. Peace.